I hope I am audible now. Am I audible, guys? No voice, still not voice. So then how you guys are responding here if I'm not audible? Hello? Hello, hello. Wait a second, let me call the technical team. Okay, am I audible now? I have switched to change the mic. Okay. Can you hear? Is it audible? Okay, am I audible now? So I hope I am audible now to everyone. अब start कर दो यार. Actually, that mic is not working. So sorry for the delay. We have switched the mic. Okay. So shall we start the discussion? So guys, welcome to KP classes. My name is Virender and today we are here to discuss about the NATA session. Okay. The morning session aptitudes part. Okay. I will be discussing all the questions. Meanwhile, if you guys are having any doubts, you guys can ask in the comment section. I will be answering that. Okay. So I have switched on. I have checked the voice also and it is coming here also. So we can start the session. So this is the first question which has come. The largest number that divides 70 and 125 and leaves the remainder 5 and 8 is, okay. So in this question you are supposed to find the HCF, but they have not directly asked you to find the HCF. So what they are asking, first you have to find the numbers, then you have to find the HCF. Okay. Now here the two numbers which are given here are 70 and 125. Now he is saying whatever the HCF will be, okay, when we divide them, okay, when we divide these number by the HCF, they are going to leave the remainder 5. So let's find the numbers, subtract these numbers. So 70 is leaving the remainder 5, so number is 65. Now 125 is going to leave the remainder 8, so the number will be 117. So now we are left with two numbers, 65 and 117. Now we have to find the HCF of these numbers. So 65. So regarding HCFs, when I taught this, I told you that here when we talked about HCFs, we have to talk about their factors, okay, not multiples. Multiples we talk about when we are talking about LCM. So here the factors of 65 are, it can be written as 5 into 13, and if you see 117, it can be written as 3 into 3 into 13. So from here, if you see, the HCF is 13, the highest common factor. So 13 is going to be your answer here. Simple question, very easy question they have asked. So everyone understood this one? Next question. Here he is asking, if PA intersection B is equal to 70% and probability of B is 85%, then find PA by B is equal to. So it is a very straightforward question from the probability. If you guys remember the formula, then you guys can solve it easily. Okay, so what is the formula of PA by B? PA by B. This is equal to PA intersection B divided by P of B. So they have already provided you the values. Now you guys can put these values. So it will be 70% divided by 85%. Okay, so here you guys can clearly see the percentage is getting cancelled out. So 14, 17. So answer is 14 by 17. So B part is your correct answer. Okay, so these are the easy questions. So let's move towards the third question. So here he is saying the base diameter of a metallic cylinder is 18 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. Okay, now let's make a cylinder. The shape of the cylinder is going to be like this. Here they have provided us with the height. So height is 24 centimeter and its diameter is 18 centimeter. Okay, now the next information they are providing us that it is melted into cylinders of base diameter. Now they are melting it. Okay, they are melting it, and from the melt they are going to make new cylinders. So here the only thing which you guys should know that the volume is going to stay constant. So volume is not changing. So whatever the volume I am having here, from that volume I am going to make new cylinders. Okay, so new cylinders which I am making, their diameter is 12 centimeter and their height is 6 centimeter. So this information they have provided us. Now they are asking how many such small cylinders can be formed. So one thing is clear from, so volume of large cylinder, it must be equal to n times of volume of small cylinders, because the volume is going to stay same. Okay, now we have to find this n. So n will be volume of large cylinder divided by volume of small cylinder. Now, what is the formula of the volume of a cylinder? If you guys do not know the formula, then you guys won't be able to solve it. Okay, so volume here of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi. Okay, so large cylinder, here r is, here they have provided us with the diameter. Diameter is 18. So radius is going to be 9. Okay, so here pi r square, 9 into 9 into height is 24. Similarly, pi into 12 is the diameter, so radius is going to be your 6. 6 into 6 into 6. So from pi we can cancel out pi. Okay, so this 6 will cancel out this one. This is 4. So 3 2 3 3 2 3, this 2, this 2 and 2. So we are left with 9. So 9 is our answer. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So our answer is B, 9. Okay guys, so it is Easy to solve this one also. So here in this exam, I have noticed they have asked around 3 to 4 questions on this concept only, where volume is staying same or surface area is staying same. Okay. Next question, let's move to the next question. Now here, the difference between a two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the positions of its digits is 27. What is the difference between the two digits of that number? This is again a very simple question. Now here, what do we have to do? We have to let the numbers first. Okay, we have to make a number first. We have to make a two-digit number. Now in two-digit number, we have one digit at units place and one digit at tens place. So let digit at units place be x, then the digit at tens place be y. So our number will be 10y plus x. Okay. So first thing is the difference between two-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the position of its digits. Okay, so their difference. So first number is this. So number obtained by interchanging digits, this will be equal to 10x plus y. Now difference of these numbers, okay, is 27. So subtract them directly. So according to question, it will be equal to 10y plus x minus 10x plus y is equal to 27. So 10y plus x minus 10x minus y is equal to 27. So it will be equal to 9x minus 9y. Sorry, it will be 9y 10y minus 9y minus 9x is equal to 27. So y minus x is equal to 27. So this is what they are asking. What is the difference between the two digits of their number? So directly we are getting it. So 9 is our answer of this question. Okay guys. Now let's move towards the next question. Next we are having here is that the produce of a square field when sold at the rate of Rs 1.5 per square meter fetches Rs 1350. What will be the cost of putting a fence all around the field at the rate of 50 paisa per meter? Okay, so first here we have to calculate the area, then we will calculate the cost of the fencing. Okay, now he is saying the cost here is 1 Rs 1.5 per square meter, means that 100 meter square is equal to costing you is going to cost you 1.5 meter. Okay, but he is also saying overall it is 1350. Overall area is 1350. So we can say x meter square, we do not know the area, we want to find it. X meter square is equal to Rs 1350. Okay, so from here we can directly divide them and find the value of x. So 100 by x is equal to 1.50 upon 1350. Okay, so from here x will be equal to 100 into 1350 divided by 150 into 100. That 100 I can take at the top also. Okay, so this is going to happen here. So this 0 is going to get cancelled out. Now this 15 can cancel this one. So 1350 comes at somewhere around 135. So 0 90. So the area is our 90 meter square. Okay, so it is 90,000 meters square. Okay, so this is our area. Now he is also told us that it is a square field. From this information I can calculate its side also. We know that area is equal to side square, which is equal to 90,000. So side will be equal to under root 90,000, which will be equal to 300. So now we know that the side is 300 meter. Okay, now here he has asked us to find what will be the cost of putting a fence all around the field at a rate of 50 paisa per meter. Now first we have to find the whole length of the square field. For that we should be calculating its perimeter, and the perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So perimeter here is going to be 4 into 300, that is your 1200 meter. So perimeter is 1200. Okay, now he has already given us the cost of per meter. So cost of per meter is 50 paisa. So it is going to be 1200 into 0.50. So we can write it like this also, 1200 into 50 by 100. Cancelled. So the cost 12 into 660. So it is going to be 600. So answer here is C. 12 into 5 is 60. So 10 is already there. So it is going to be 600. So answer here is C, which is our 600. Someone is saying you wrote answer 9 hoga. Which question? Oh, sorry. Huh. I wrote it like this, but I have asked. This is 9. All are getting divided. No. This is 3. So answer is 3, not 9. Y minus x is because all of them are getting divided by 9. Okay, so 27, 9, 3. So answer is 3. This is not 9. Good. So how you are saying it is 9? This is my question number 4. So 3 is our answer here, guys, not 9. This question we have done. Next, this question. Yeah. The question here is, a small village has a population of 5,000, requires 75 liters of water per head per day. The village has got an overhead tank of measurement. This things, okay. Now, for how many days will the water in the tank last? So first here we have to find its total consumption. Okay, then only we can find its answer. Okay, so here population is 5,000. Okay, but each person is consuming 75 liters per day. Okay, so each person is going to consume 75 liter per day. Okay, now this tank, overhead tank, it is having some volume. So from this volume we have to consume. So our total consumption of 5,000 people must be equal to the consumption volume of this tank. Okay, now let's find the total consumption first. Total consumption here will be volume of tank must be equal to n into total consumption. So total consumption is your 75 into 5,000. Okay, so this 75 is of one person only, and in total we are having 5,000 people. So volume of the tanks, directly multiply them, 40 into 25 into 15 is equal to n. Let's bring them here. 75 into 5000. Okay, so 21, 3. This 0 gets cancelled out here. So we are left with 15 and wait a second. We have to see our mother. Is there anything which we are missing here? Yes, we are missing one thing, that here this it has given us in liters. Okay, but everything is in meters. So what do we have to do? We have to convert these meters into liters also. So this value is going to be in liters. Okay, 75 into 5000. This value is in liters. Okay, because this 75 is in liters. So we have to convert volume into liter. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, so this relation you guys should know. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, so here meter cube is happening. So let's write it 1000 meter. Okay, now this should be equal to n. So this 0 cancelled out. We are left with the 5, 3. So we are left with only 120 by 3. So this 3 will cancel out like this. So we are left with only 40. So n is 40. So 40 days. Okay. So here the answer of this question is 40 days. So after 40 days, the water will be consumed by 5000 peoples. Okay, so see next question. So next we are having 7 cubes of same volume having side 5 centimeter are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So here the trick is we are having cuboids. So 7 such cuboids are going to get joined. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. So see here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now here this length, if you see this length, this is staying same, it is not changing. Earlier it was cube, so it is 5 centimeter. And if you see their height is also 5 centimeter, but their length is getting increased. So length, this is 5, this is 5, this is 5, 5. So 7 into 5, it will be equal to 35 meter. So the only trick to this question is that the length is increasing. Okay, now he has asked us to find the surface area. So surface area of cuboid, the formula of it is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Simple formula. So it will be equal to 2 into length into breadth. Length is 35. 35 into 5 plus 5 into 5 plus 5 into 35. This is the answer. This is how it is going to be solved. So 35 into 5 is 175 plus 25. So plus 175. So 175 and 175, 350. Then 25 is 375. So 375 into 2 is equal to 750 meter square. So this is going to be your answer here. So they have asked a very simple question, but just you have to add the sides. Next questions. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be not green. Okay, so he is asking you to find the probability of the marble, it is not going to be green. So find the probability of the other ones. Simple answer. Okay, so if you see, it is having 5 red, 8 white and 4 green. So 5, let's find first total, plus 4 is equal to 12 plus 5, 17. So these are the total possible. Okay, so and your red and white is equal to 8 plus 5, 13. So your probability here is going to be 13 by 17. You do not have to think about it also. This is easiest question they have asked in this examination. Okay. Next question. If you see, next question, a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recasted into a shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. So here again, your trick to solve this question is that the volume of both is going to stay same. So how to solve this one? Volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. This is going to be the case here. Okay, so if sphere's volume, what is the formula of sphere's volume? Simple, 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi, and what is the radius they have given? 4.2 into cube. This is 4 point, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi, and here radius is 6 square into h. So here pi and pi will get cancelled out. So we have to find h. So h here is equal to 4 by 3 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 upon 6 into 6. This is our h. Okay. Now if you see, 6 divides it by 0.7, 0.7 and 3, 42, 12. So 1.2. So we have to multiply 4 into 0.7 into 0.7 into 1.2. This will come to be somewhere around 2.744. This is our answer. Okay, guys. Now let's move to the next question. The difference between two positive numbers is x and sum of their squares is 13. Simple question again. Okay, now let's two number as x and y. So he is saying x minus y is equal to 5, and difference of their squares, sum of their squares is 73. So this information he has provided, and we can use our identity x plus y square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy, because he is asking find the product of these numbers. Okay, now x plus y, no, not x plus y, we have to use x minus y because he is asking the difference. So here this will become y square minus 2xy. So x minus y is 5 square. So x square plus y square value we are having 73 minus 2xy. So 25 minus 73 must be equal to minus 2xy. So when we subtract 25 from 73, we get 48, and that too of minus. Cancel from here, we can say xy is equal to 24. So 24 is your answer. Next question, let's see the next question. The total surface area of a cube having sides L is given by, simple, you have to just answer the formula. 6L square Next question. A hyperbola has dash vertices and dash foci. So first of all, hyperbola, if you see, this is my hyperbola. Okay, so it is having two vertices. See here, these are the vertices, and it will be having one focus here and one foci here. So answer is two vertices and two foci. Simple question. Next question. A circle with center O and radius 25 centimeter has a chord AB of length 14 centimeter in it. Find the area of triangle AOB. So we have to find the area of the triangle AOB. So if you see this triangle here, they have given you a isosceles triangle because AO and OB are the radius and the radius value is 25. Okay. Now if we draw here like this, the perpendicular from here, okay, because we will be using, I can find its area by using this formula, or I can find its formula by S by this formula also. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. So I can find this formula, but this one is going to be easier. Okay. Now, when I am dropping perpendicular from here, this is going to divide this into, this is going to bisect it. So this side is going to be 7, this is going to be 7. Now we are having a perpendicular like this, 25 and 7. So by applying a Pythagoras theorem, I can find its value. Okay. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we are going to find its value. So its value is, so if you know its answer is going to be 24. Okay. So these triplets we remember. Okay. You guys can apply Pythagoras theorem and find its value. So its area is going to be half into base is our 14 and 24. So 7 into 24 is equal to 7 4 28. Then it is going to be 168 centimeter square. So understood, guys? B. Vinayak Chaurasia is saying B. Which question? So I may have passed from that question. So let's see next question. Sorry. The rhombus of side 6 centimeter has an equal angle to the external angle of a regular octagon. Okay. Find the area of the rhombus. So first of all, you need to understand what is a external angle. So he is saying external angle of a regular octagon. Okay. So if I am having a rhombus like this, okay, now the external angles, so this similar concept will be applied to your octagon also, because we have to find the angle of the octagon. Okay, because its angle are equal to the octagon one. So first try to understand what is the external angle. So if I am extending this line, this angle is my external angle theta. This angle is my external angle. So here, if I know this angle, internal angle, can I find external angle? I have to subtract it from 180 degree. Simple answer. So for that, they are given us regular octagon. So all the angles of the octagon are going to be equal. So for that, first of all, we should know what is the sum of the angles of a octagon. So what is the formula which we use for calculating the sum of angles? That is n minus 2 into 180. So here n is octagon. Okay. So that is 8. So 8 minus 2 into 180. 6 into 180. This is going to be your sum of the, so we should not multiply it because we have to divide it by 8, so that we want to find the one angle. So angle will be, there are 8 angle and sum of 8 angle is 6 into 180. So one angle is going to be 6 into 180 by 8, 3 4 290. 45, so it is 135. So angles of regular octagon are 35. So external angle, like I previously told you, that external angle is 180 minus 35. So 180 minus 35 is equal to your 45. So now we have found the external angle of a regular octagon. Now he is saying rhombus of side 6 centimeter has an equal angle. So the angles of the rhombus are going to be 45. Now this angle here is 45 degree and the sides are 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, like this. Okay, simple thing. Now here we have to find the area of this rhombus. So we can directly, we should be applying this formula, half into base into height. For that we need height, base we are having 6. So I can draw a perpendicular like this. I can draw a perpendicular. So we will be getting like this. This is 45 degree. This side is, this is my 6. Okay, so I can find sine 45 here. Sine 45 is going to be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is 6. Okay, and what is the value of the sine 45? It is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is equal to p by 6. So perpendicular here is going to be 6 by root 2. So the values given are, so we have to rationalize it because they have given root upside. So it will be equal to 3 root 2. So when we find the area, it is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 into 3 root 2, 3. So 9 root 2. So 9 root 2 is your answer. B is your answer. Let's move to the next question. If you see here, they are asking the triangle ABC has angle A 60, B 70. Then the incenter of this triangle is at I. Find angle BIC. So basically they are asking, do you find this angle? Okay, so they have provided you as this angle 35 and this angle 35. So from 180 degree, directly cancel this one. 180 minus 35 plus 25. 180 minus 60. So our answer is 120 degree. Directly we can solve it. Next, a glass of cylindrical shape has radius of 3.5 centimeter and height equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so he has given a glass. Its shape radius is, so let's find volume of glass first. Why we won't be multiplying it? So volume of glass must be equal to n into volume of glass will be equal to water of jug. Okay, volume of glass. So n number of glasses volume will be equal to volume of jug. See, again similar concept they are using. So n will be equal to volume of jug divided by volume of glass. So volume of jug is going to be, so here if you see the jug volume is already given 1540 and your glass is of cylindrical shape. So pi r square h, pi, let's not write pi because it is not going to cancel out. So let's write 22 by 7, and if you see radius here is given 3.5 centimeter. It is equal to 35 by 10. Okay, so it is equal to 7 by 2. So I am going to use 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 8, and this is going to get cancelled out. 2. So we are left with 150 into 150 upon 22 into 2. So 150 divided by 44. So here it is going to be, your answer is going to be 5. So we need 5 glasses. So a jug can fill 5 glasses. Next question, a box of dimension 25 centimeter into 30 centimeter into 45 centimeter is to be painted. A container contains color, has a capacity to paint 1075 centimeter square. How many containers are required to paint the box completely? See here guys, he is asking about you the surface area. So first find the surface area of the cuboid. Okay, so then simple a box, how many containers, n into, this time instead of the volume he is using surface area. So it is n into surface area of box must be equal to surface area of container. Okay, so this is the formula which we are going to use now. Now how many containers? Oh, I am writing it reverse order. So they are asking how many containers we are going to use. Number into volume of container is equal to volume, not volume, surface area. Surface area of, this is cuboidal shape. The box is cuboidal shape. So n is equal to, surface area for cuboid is equal to 2 into 25 into 30 plus 30 into 45 into 45 into 25 divided by your 1075. Now if you see here, I cannot multiply this because it will take my time. So I can bring factors out. I can bring 25 out. So inside I am left with, I have brought 5 into 5. So inside I am left with 5 into 6 plus 6 into 9 plus 9 into 5, 1075. Now I can cancel it with 5s. Okay, so 1075 divided by 5 is 215, and this 215 is again cancelled out, getting cancelled out by 5. Okay, so here 215 is 4 3. Okay, now next here 2 into 5 into 6 is 30 plus 9 into 6, okay, that is 54 plus 9 into 5, 45 upon 43. This is the scenario here. Okay, now add them. 54 plus 45, 999 plus 30, 129. So 2 into 129 by 43. So here it is getting cancelled with the 3. So answer here is 6. So answer here is 6. So 6 containers are required here to paint the box. And the last question of your exam, okay, find the number of angles in the following figure. So basically it's a very simple question. So if you see here, this is my 1 angle, this is my 2 angle, this is my 3 angle. Okay, so we are having 3 angles so far. So 1 angle is getting formed by the sum of these 2 angles. So this is my 4 angle. Now these 2 angles, sum of these 2 angles is going to form one another angle, and another angle is going to get formed by the sum of all these angles. So in total we are having 6 angles in this figure. Okay, so I hope you guys have liked the solution part, and if you guys have enjoyed, do subscribe us and do support us. And if you want to prepare for NATA classes, okay, and please join us in KP classes. We have been providing coaching for NATA classes from previous 6 plus years, and every year top students are getting selected from our institute also. So best of luck for your third attempts, guys. Thank you.